sir. Goes a little update. Got all the Bondo off, well, most of it. I'm gonna get that angle grinder and get the rest of it off. Try to get down to the bare metal. And like one of the commenters suggested, I don't know what happened to his comment, it disappeared, but he gave some great advice. Safety first, I got some gloves. Well, let me first got this respirator, safety goggles, you know, because there's a lot of dust that flies from the Bondo and the rust. So now, let's get back to it. All right. Oh yeah, look at all that Bondo on the ground. Showing all the pretty dents. Alright y'all, so I got most of the rust off the panel, mostly down to the bare metal. Just wanted to show y'all. I ran through it first with the wire wheel and then the angle grinder with this pad to finish it off. Now my question is, why some spots it's smooth but it's a little darker? I think is that still the rust on there, or what would I need to do to get that off, or do I even need to get this off? Could I just spray some rust prevention or something on top of it to get it off, or just prime it? I don't know. Leave your comments and suggestions. But yeah, some spots the metal is very clear and smooth, mostly under the Bondo. You'll see all the metal, and I know these holes were from, I believe, them trying to pull out the dents, but once that Bondo came off, you can see all the body work that it's gonna need. Like this spot, this big dent right here, dents here, another dent here, all types of little dents. And one of the comments, Keith suggested I just get a whole new panel, which will make sense, but it wouldn't allow me to learn and do some body work, body lines, Bondo, fiberglass, primer, blocking. Maybe I'll learn so much through this one little panel that it'll give me much more experience on the rest of the car. But yeah, give me your thoughts. Let me know what I should do next. I don't know, you know, see, this is all metal here, and then it's still something stuck. It's smooth, but it, you know, it's still these dark spots, you know. Should I tried with the angle grinder, push it a little harder, but it didn't come off. So should I use a DA sander or a sander? I don't know, give me your suggestions. I'm thinking spraying some rust encapsulator or whatever, rust prevention, and call it a day. Remember, this is not a Barrett Jackson restoration, so help me out, give me your thoughts. All right, thanks for watching. Peace.